Are you looking for a reliable way to import your Outlook PST files into your Hotmail, Outlook.com account? Welcome WholeClear PST to Hotmail Converter. You can easily and securely migrate your entire Outlook database to Hotmail in just a few clicks. Key benefits of PST to Hotmail Converter. Instant import. Quickly transfer PST files without delay. Complete conversion. Ensures accurate and thorough migration of all mailbox data. Support for large PST files. Seamlessly import even oversized PST files. Secure login. Requires valid Hotmail credentials, ensuring complete data safety. How it works, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download and install WholeClear PST to Hotmail Converter on your system. Step 2. Choose the email source and select PST files. Step 3. Select folder or file mode and upload the PST files into the software panel. Step 4. Choose Export to Hotmail account and click Next. Step 5. Enter your Hotmail account username and password, then click Authenticate User. Step 6. Select an existing folder in your Hotmail account or create a new one to save the imported PST files. Step 7. Click Upload Now to start the import process. Once the process is complete, your PST emails, contacts, and attachments will be successfully imported into your Hotmail, Outlook.com account. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.